Ever wondered how anime characters move with such fluidity, or how game avatars express emotions so vividly? What if you could transform a single photo of yourself into a dynamic, expressive cartoon character in under a minute? That's the promise of CartoonAlive, a groundbreaking innovation from Alibaba's Tongyi lab. Let's explore how this technology bridges the gap between real-world photos and digital creativity. Traditional 3D character creation demands complex modeling and costly rendering pipelines, while 2D animation often lacks real-time interactivity. CartoonAlive solves this with Live2D, a technique that mimics 3D motion using layered 2D graphics. Think of it as a digital puppet show. Each facial element, eyes, mouth, eyebrows, is a separate layer, manipulated independently to create lifelike expressions without full 3D modeling. The magic happens in 3 stages. First, CartoonAlive analyzes a single portrait, detecting key features like eyes, nose, and mouth. Then it leverages AI to predict movement, drawing from a concept called a shape basis, a digital blueprint that defines how facial features should shift. By adjusting parameters like position, scale, and orientation, the system generates nuanced expressions, from a subtle smile to a furrowed brow. Here's where the innovation shines. This process is fully automated. Unlike traditional workflows that require hours of manual tweaking, CartoonAlive completes the task in under 30 seconds. It also addresses common pain points, such as blurry transitions during blinks or mouth movements. The system dynamically repaints backgrounds to ensure smooth animations and seamlessly transfers hair, adapting to details like bangs or hairstyles. What sets CartoonAlive apart is its end-to-end automation. It's the first solution to turn a photo into an interactive 2D character without manual input. For game developers, social media creators, or anyone craving personalized avatars, this opens a world of possibilities. Imagine a virtual influencer that mirrors your expressions, or a video call avatar that reacts in real time. But CartoonAlive is just one piece of the AI puzzle. Let's shift gears to another frontier, reconstructing 3D faces from 2D photos. Traditional methods relied on manual labeling of facial features, but a 2020 study introduced a smarter approach using graph convolutional networks. These networks treat the face as a graph of interconnected points, mapping relationships between features like eyes, nose, and mouth. By analyzing how these points interact in 2D images, the model infers 3D structure, even in challenging conditions like blur or poor lighting. This approach doesn't just work for perfect photos. It adapts to real-world chaos, producing lifelike 3D reconstructions that match the original image with remarkable accuracy. The key innovation lies in how these networks learn from data, rather than rigid rules. Instead of relying on human annotations, the algorithm identifies patterns autonomously, making it robust to variations in expression, lighting, and angle. The result? Detailed 3D faces that could revolutionize applications from virtual avatars to forensic science. Both CartoonAlive and graph convolutional networks exemplify AI's power to transform how we interact with digital media. Whether it's animating a selfie or reconstructing a face from a photo, these technologies are redefining creativity and accessibility. So what do you think? Would you use these tools to bring your face to life in an animated world, or restore old photos with depth? Let's discuss in the comments. Maybe we'll explore the next big breakthrough together. Stay curious and thanks for watching.